We are honored to make this presentation today. Therefore, with the approval of the Board of Trustees of the California State University, and on behalf of the California State University and Cal Poly Humboldt, we award you the degree of Doctor of Humane Letters with all its rights, privileges, and honors. In token whereof, we present you with this diploma and the doctoral hood emblematic of the degree. Congratulations, Dr. Chinn. You are an inspiration. You are an inspiration to Cal Poly Humboldt's student body, faculty, partners, and community. We now invite Dr. Chinn to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everybody. What a wonderful day. I couldn't believe it. Today I stand up here. Thank you, Dr. Jackson and Chastity, and get me such high honor. I've been a volunteer homeless advocate for the last 40 years. And my biggest project for me is investment is children's education. I used to tell 6 kids, 5th grader, go over there and watch your guys every year and your energy, you inspire them so much. They want to go a better higher education. Until I unable to come anymore. But every morning, 4 o'clock, I pick up 20 senior high school kids to go to school. I pick them up, they leave the car, leave the buses, live outside the Kwann Beach, under Samora Beach, or Sand Dune. They come to our center, take a shower, change the clothes, finish the homework. I drop them off to school. And it's a hard work, but I want to investment my energy, my passion, my love to all these kids. I feel like every kid deserves a chance. That's what I want to do. My investment returned to me 2 years ago. I got a call on 3 o'clock a.m. in the morning. And somebody called me on the phone saying, Miss Betty, I'm scared. I said, what is you scared? I'm scared I'm going to die. And I said, what is going on? And this young man, when you're in a high school and a senior year, he tried to skip to school and then doesn't want to go to PE class. And end up, he finished high school and he got a 4-year scholarship in the East Coast. I want all my kids out of Humboldt County, out of California. They need to connect their lifestyle, be homeless. They go to a new place and start a new life. When I drop them off at the Arcadia Airport, I tell them, go for your goal, follow your journey, follow your heart. Do not remember me. I'm not your baggage. And after that, I don't contact them. So I really surprised this young man called me. And actually, he's an emergency room in New York, and he's a doctor. And he works in the emergency room, and he's fighting for COVID. And he said, I've been sleeping in my car. Coffee doesn't work for me anymore. I see all the dead bodies go in the frozen chop. I'm scared. I just want to tell you, I'm scared. And then I say, thank you. I say, you know what? You don't need a thank you. You owe me nothing. But we are in a battlefield to fight against the COVID. Don't afraid. We got to fight no matter what. Are you called for a safe life? In the emergency room, save life each day, and I will pray for you and to be brave. You will be one. So after that, I didn't hear anything anymore until last week. I got a Mother's Day card from him, and he said he's doing well and he won the battle. And then he inspired me so much. He saved the life. Be a child born in a Pogo Marsh, live in a car. Live at Sand Dune, but today, and he's a doctor, save life. And I told him, I don't want you to come back to Humboldt County, and you're middle age. Even And then we still need a doctor. And Ashley, he doing well. That's what I want to tell you. Nobody will give up the child. Every children deserve a second chance, and do not judge. You never know who sits next to you, maybe homeless, maybe not. And do not judge. Anybody deserves the opportunity. And today, I just look at you guys. It really inspire me a lot. You are the future. You carry on this country and go forward. Congratulations to everybody. And I'm so happy I joined your class too. Thank you.